Hey y'all, Carolina Tony here. Today we are on the road again and we are in Idaho. Today is going to be a very special video. We're going to take you to see many waterfalls, and just one of them is where we're going to start at is Shoshone Falls here in Idaho. This is spectacular, and I promise you this video will not do it justice. We'll go ahead and get started with no introduction.
It's unreal, isn't it? It's a power plant. Power plant's over there. The Snake River. This is known as the Hanson Bridge. This gorge is 16 miles long. Prior to the bridge, the only way you could cross would be in a rowboat, but you'd have to climb down the mountain in order to do it. This is called Shoshone Falls in Idaho on the Snake River. You can see way down there in the bottom of the canyon, they're kayakers or they're tubing. It's hard to tell from here. I am standing on the banks of the Snake River. This particular area here, the water is very calm, but some other places there's some rapids. There is a marine bridge. Certain times you can see base jumpers jump off. That's folks that jump off with a parachute and land on the bank.
No matter what they say, Miss Mountain Sky, I'm here to stay. You know that I'll never go.
In this section of Idaho, there are over 1,000 waterfalls. In this gorge, there's another one down that way. We'll probably get a little closer, but look, can you hear it? That's an interstate right there. If you are afraid of heights, this is probably not somewhere you want to be. You look where I'm standing. There's Miss Debbie over there on the observation point. Here, let me take you out over the edge. And right there, what we're looking at is right in the middle of the Snake River is a fish farm. Where the river is diverted around the fish farm. This is a wide part of the gorge, and they said those are lava rocks out there. You see the Snake River down below, but a diversion canal a little higher. hear it. We are down in the bottom of the canyon, and the Snake River is right on the other side of that little creek there. And this is how Miss Debbie and I do it.
Wash your hands of that place. Why must a man break his soul on the rocks of the rivers of the mountains? Oh, but I can't, not just yet. Can't change a man when his mind is set. And early in the morning when I rise,
Look how clear the water is.
she flies, she flies.
Oh, wow.
Miss mountain sky,
Look at the waterfall.
sky. Tell me why do I have to try so hard
There's
to get by?
3 waterfalls there, sort of. And there's another waterfall there. And there's another waterfall there. And there's several on down further.
I am standing on the ledge of what is called Box Canyon. It gets its name because it's basically boxed in. The water below me is 58 degrees and it's bubbling up out of the ground, and you will see in a minute, I'll show you, this water is crystal clear. It's amazing.
We are in the Box Canyon, and that's because we're boxed in. If you look at these pools, the water is bubbling up out of the ground and works its way down, and it is clear, very clear. Almost has a blue tint to it over there.
No, you can hear it walking down a path. This is gonna knock your socks off. Look at that. That water is coming out of the mountain. There's not a stream there. Well, that is going to be a wrap for our trip to Idaho's waterfalls. What you think?
Oh my goodness. This one here is, I think it's one of the prettiest things I've ever seen. And the most amazing thing is that this water is coming just out of the side of the mountain.
Yeah, and it is what they say, glacier blue. It is pretty spectacular. Well, we hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to share it with your family and friends. But until next time.
Y'all have a good day.